Oh, you just sighed too.
When I snap my fingers, you will act like a duck.
A minute. Yeah. Changed his mind.
Oh, he's starting to suck. I gotta give him
Yep.
something. There you go, kid.
He's looking at me.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think James is going to want to be an entertainer. He doesn't like the camera.
Your eyes got really wide all of a sudden. Got a little indent in your forehead. Wonder what from.
Probably from the breathing thing.
Yeah.
I hope that goes away. Aren't you looking at up there? Hmm?
Yeah, what is he looking at?
What's up there, James? Does he
I
see
don't
something
know.
that we don't?
Oh, he's gonna sneeze. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Goodness sakes. Yeah.
Feel better?
A whole bunch of them.
Good sneezes, James. Good, powerful sneezes.
I know when he's gonna do it because he does that.
Looks just like a grown
You know,
up.
yeah, he like,
That's what I look like for I sneeze.
he sucks in. Yeah, we're talking about you.
His ears are burning.
Mm-hmm. Poor thing, your nose is so dry.
You are getting very sleepy, James.
Isn't that exciting? You might get to suck on a bottle and actually get some next week.
Oh my god, that's exciting. So that would be like Monday or Tuesday. That would be
Yeah, 'cause
34
he'll be
weeks.
34 weeks on Monday. Next Monday. It's
Yep.
33 weeks this week.
Time is just flying by from James, man.
Exactly.
Be out of here before you know it.
Pretty soon you get to come home with Nate and I. Yeah. Isn't that exciting? What are we gonna do with you? What do you think?
It's going to work.
Time to support yourself.
Mm-hmm. I mean, James could probably get a job as like a Walmart greeter or something.
You should just go to sleep, honey. Your eyes are so half
Funny to
open.
picture.
You think one night